If your USB-C earphones are not detected on your Android phone, here's how you can fix it. First, open Settings and search for Apps. Tap on it, then tap the sort or filter icon and turn on Show System Apps. Press OK. Now search for USB and tap on it. First, tap Force Stop. Then scroll down and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to reset the USB settings. Now go back, search for Samsung USB-C headset and repeat the same steps. Tap Force Stop, then Storage, followed by Clear Cache and Clear Data. Next, go back to Settings. Tap the search bar and search for USB again. Tap on the USB option that appears and turn it off if it's enabled. Lastly, carefully clean the USB Type-C charging port on your Android phone to remove any dust or debris. That's it. Your USB-C earphones should now be detected and work properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.